If you used Procreate for a while, I'm sure you know that there is an undo and redo tool down here underneath the brush controls. The top arrow is undo and the bottom arrow is redo. So I can tap and undo what I've done. I can tap the bottom one and redo what I've done. But what you may not know is there's an even easier way to use undo and redo. And ever since I discovered this, it's all I use. I never use those arrows. So to undo, all you have to do is tap your screen with 2 fingers and it's undo. And to redo, you tap your screen with 3 fingers. So to me, that's a much easier way for my workflow to use my fingers, tap them on the screen, tend to kind of locate the arrows, even though I know where they are, to locate the arrows and tap them. It's a lot quicker and easier just to tap 2 fingers or 3 fingers on my screen, and I can undo and redo very easily. And now you know how to do it too. Thanks for subscribing, ringing that bell, leaving comments on this video and others. Please check out my other Procreate videos, tutorials that you can find. Yeah, that was bad. Okay, if you've used Procreate for a while now, I'm sure you know that there are 2 arrows on the left-hand side of your screen. There's an undo arrow right here on top and a redo arrow right here on the bottom. And you just tap the top arrow to undo and you tap the bottom arrow to redo. But did you know there's an even easier way to undo and redo? And ever since I found out about this technique, it's all I use. So to undo, you tap your screen with 2 fingers. To redo, you tap your screen with 3 fingers. Again, 2 fingers to undo, 3 fingers to redo. And in my opinion, it's a much easier way. It works for my workflow a lot better than having to pause and go to those arrows, which isn't very hard to do, but using my fingers I find is a lot quicker and I like it a lot better for my workflow. So give it a try, see how it works for you, and I'll see you next time.